Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling measured ingredients and tools so you can move without stopping. Use 1 cup cold milk and 3 tablespoons Nutella for a balanced sweetness. Add 0.5 cup ice for texture. Once your glass is chilled and the blender is clean, spoon Nutella into the jar first to prevent sticking. Make sure the lid is locked. Pulse quickly 2 to 3 times to break the ice, then blend at medium speed to integrate flavors before increasing power. You now focus on texture and flavor balance. This step determines the milkshake quality. Start blending at medium for 15 to 30 seconds to combine Nutella with milk, then boost to high for 10 to 15 seconds to smooth remaining streaks. Once done, stop and scrape the sides with a spatula. This prevents gritty pockets. If the shake is too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk and blend briefly. If too thin, add a small ice cube and pulse to thicken. You finish by pouring the milkshake into the chilled glass, aiming for a steady, slow pour to keep the texture uniform. Finish with a dollop of whipped cream, a drizzle of Nutella, or a sprinkle of chopped hazelnuts to add crunch and visual contrast. If the shake separates or looks watery, reblend immediately for 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure to use cold ingredients next time, because warm components cause thinning. That's the key troubleshooting tip to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.